Alright, I don't know how to start a YouTube video, but we're going to Cars and Coffee, Mooresville. Gonna film some takeoffs, do some other stuff. I'm gonna film some driving, I guess. Just hope it goes good. I do wish we could have brought the S2000, but it's my brother's and I cannot drive stick yet. So we'll get back to that. I'm gonna learn and I'm gonna steal his car. We're taking this Civic Sport today. Pretty common to take a Civic. Got my little brother. My friend's running a little late. We're gonna meet up with my buddy at Sheetz. He's got a 370. That'll be pretty cool. Get flicked up a little bit, and then we'll get to the meet. Oh my god. Come move the fuck out the way. Oh my god. Over this real quick. So we were just kind of driving on the highway, right? Like I think this is a pretty common thing, you know, driving on the highway. And I got over a couple lanes because I wanted to speed up and catch up with Jake, who's driving the 370. Right? I think I've made that very clear by now. But yeah, we just pulled up and there was a Ferrari here. My friend thought it was a McLaren for some reason, and all I saw was the Ferrari, so I thought it was going to be pretty chill. And I looked up and I said, I think that's a GT4, but you know, we completely overreacted here, so it was pretty funny. I think you guys will like that.
I'm actually coming right now. Holy shit. Dude, I have my GoPro on. I have my fucking GoPro on. Holy shit. I'm fucking my dad. I can't. That's an 8. That's an alright. I have my whole GoPro on. What the fuck? Holy shit. I'm so glad I got it. GTR. There was no GTR there. I'm not afraid of GTR. GT4,
recorded too late. Damn. There we go. There we go.
Oh, that's the
What did not live? Small pops.
Yeah, they do.
It's busy. This is the line we got trapped in here. Andrew fucking walking in front of my camera. Some GT flames. Shit. There's a GT4 over there, I think. I think it was a GT4. But yeah, really nice. Look at that. It's tough. Holy shit. Jag.
G-Wag?
G-Wagon.
G-Wag.
Hellcat SRT.
With the lip guards on?
So what?
With the lip guards on still?
Oh yeah.
Spitting flames over there.
This is a W Ferrari.
Someone's spitting flames. I want to go look over there. Yeah, someone's just
I'm just gonna. It feels awkward.
You want to be us so bad. Jake. Look at the back windshield. Oh my god.
Ooh. Somebody did not do well on that.
I remember when we were on.
Dude. Jake, say something.
Yo. Take you and don't take you.
I have a
What?
small baby.
I'm over it, I guess. Packs, oh my gosh.
And then you record everything, and then
I'm literally recording everything.
I know,
right
and
now.
then all the boring stuff you edit out.
So, alright, bet. It's a lot of work though, low-key.
It's like not a lot of work.
Shit, this is so a lot of
Look at
work.
Supra.
Oh my god, it's super. I already saw this though. It is nice though. Is Ryan getting in?
Ryan's getting it.
So funny.
Although they say it's foam, it's actually comfortable. Yeah, it's not soft. Slam into it. Yeah, it,
Oh my god.
I don't feel good shaking around in there.
it's tight though. I'm not saying it's tight. What's cool? Yep. So how they did this is that part in the back, they put a plastic bag in. And I sat in the car and I had to lift myself up and then pour the foam in the plastic bag. And so as it starts to build, I sat down, so literally the foam, like molded around me. And then they took it out and had like a turkey cutter, and cut some of the stuff. Like it was a pretty cool process. Good time. Yeah. Enjoy it.
My hair looks all messed up. We walked up to the upper section. It's a little more quiet here, less crowded. Came with Andrew because everybody else is with their girlfriends, so. We got an exhaust off or some shit. Call him a super though. It's nice. Holy shit. What's it call me? Yeah, I think so. I think it was that. It was either that or the 370. Mini pops. Yeah, it was a 70. Look at the exhaust. Holy shit. No wonder. No wonder that shit's loud.
That's the guy I want to be when I grow up.
A relatively successful meet, I think.
Look, he's smoking a
Got my
cigarette.
little brother. Oh,
He's smoking a cigarette.
smoking
on the
a
bike.
cigarette. Yeah, smoking a cigarette on
He's
the
so
bike.
tough.
Oh my gosh, my eyes are blue. Pretty relatively successful meet. I'm gonna film myself driving back. We're gonna get some McDonald's. But yeah, I think that might be it for the video. If I don't end it here, I'll end it at a different time. Yeah, so I'll check right back in with you guys. I, in fact, did not record. For some reason, I ran out of storage, so my GoPro couldn't, like, record everything in the windshield. It's a pretty old one, but I'll try and record myself going to more car meets, and yeah, I mean, thanks for watching, y'all. Appreciate it. I know I'm new. I'll get better at everything, don't worry. But yeah, thanks for watching, and like and subscribe, I guess. That's what everybody says. Like and subscribe. Bye.